I'm not available. I have a boyfriend here in the Philippines. Where are you from? Where?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Okay.
I see it clearly. You have guitar.
Oh, okay.
What?
Do you love my guitar?
I don't know.
I said you love guitar. You love guitar. If I play it, do you wanna hear this guitar music?
Okay.
Okay. So
I will listen to your guitar.
yeah. Okay. I will play it. I will play it just for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name?
Miles.
Please repeat again. What's your name?
Miles.
Miles. Oh, nice name. Nice to meet you, Miles.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. My name is Kilometer.
Okay.
Okay. Which music do you want to hear right now? I will play it. Please say.
Is that my name?
What?
No, I don't understand guitar.
Guitar. This is guitar. This is guitar.
Yeah, I know that, but I don't understand.
Okay. But do you love it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. So, do you love my guitar? Do you love my guitar? My guitar is so beautiful.
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
so beautiful. I have so beautiful guitar. If you want, I can give you my guitar.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
If you will give your guitar, you will send here.
Yeah. I will send you. I will send you in Philippines. No problem. Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Not kidding. I'm not kidding to you. I will send you this guitar for Eva.
Okay.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
So why you looking so beautiful?
I'm. It's normal. It's normal.
You look like a fairy.
Oh, fairy.
Yeah.
No, I look like lemon. Wait,
Who is she beside you?
I don't need beside me.
Oh, you are alone there?
Yeah.
Okay. I like this girl who have long hair.
Long hair?
Yeah.
I don't.
Do you have long hair?
No, I have short hair.
Oh, okay.
No,
Okay. I like short
I
hair
have
girl.
short hair.
I don't like long hair. I like short. I like short hair girl.
Short na lang.
Yeah.
I have a short hair.
Yeah, I like short hair. I like this girl who have short hair.
But I'm not available. I have a boyfriend here in the Philippines.
Can you show me your friend? Can you show me your friend?
No, there are private people.
Oh,
They cannot.
Say your friend mahal kita.
Okay, I will tell them.
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah.
I wanna swimming inside your sea.
Okay.
Do you know you have a sea?
Oh,